Hey guys and girls, and welcome back to the #1 channel on real estate. Now before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, and if you enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe to be part of the Daily Hit family. Now let's get back to the video. Investing in property can seem like an intimidating task, but with the right tips, it can be easy to get started. Making your first investment property purchase can feel like you're jumping into shark-infested waters. There's a lot of things to consider, and it's easy to make a mistake that could cost you dearly. Watch this video where I share 4 tips that will help any beginner master the art of investment properties. These tips are based on my own experience as an investor and will help you avoid common mistakes made by beginners. One of the most appealing aspects of real estate investing is the many possibilities open to you. If you're considering investment property tactics, whether you have a real estate license or not, you've undoubtedly asked yourself which route to go. We'll help you decide by providing you with the top 4 real estate investment strategies for novices. Number 1. Wholesaling real estate as an investment strategy. One of the most effective methods to get started in real estate investing is through wholesaling real estate. The major advantage of this strategy, which makes it especially beneficial for novices, is that you will require very little startup money. As a wholesaler, you have to find a property for sale, obtain a sales contract from the seller, identify a buyer, and assign the contract to him or her. The whole process usually takes a few days or weeks, and you could walk away with a couple of $1,000s in your pocket. The only expenses you have to cover are those associated with locating a property for sale and advertising it to potential purchasers. Anyone can engage in real estate wholesaling, but it's particularly helpful for those who have a real estate license. Why? There's a variety of reasons for this. First, as a real estate agent, you'll be able to view many more properties for sale than a typical investor would. This means you'll be able to locate properties for sale at a lower price, making sales promotions simpler and increasing your profits. Second, once you've gotten a license, you'll be able to join up with property sellers, purchasers, and other realtors, investors, and so on. This network may be utilized to your advantage in order to find both sellers and buyers for your real estate wholesaling efforts. While selling without a license is doable, obtaining a real estate license for investing will significantly boost your chances of winning. Number 2. How the fix and flip investment strategy works. Fix and flip is another fantastic approach to get started in real estate investing. This is a fast-paced, short-term investing technique that will allow you to get more involved with the property while still earning fast money in real estate. In a fix and flip, you buy an investment property, usually in a distressed condition, for a low price, make the required repairs, and then sell it for a higher value. Your profit is the difference between the sales price and the purchase price, as well as the cost of the fixes that you made. The secret is to be able to recognize properties for sale and market value and make inexpensive improvements that will drastically enhance the property's worth. This technique is ideal for first-time investors because it allows them to sample the taste of real estate investing without forcing them to commit to a property and a mortgage for decades to come. Even though fix and flips are accessible to almost anybody, having a license and being a realtor is unquestionably beneficial in this strategy. You'll be able to explore more homes for sale, including those sold above market value, and you'll also be able to meet more contractors from your network who can help with the renovation process. Furthermore, if a contractor believes you to be in the business and will most likely employ their services again, they're more likely to provide you with a discount. Cheaper fixes translates into more profit for you after you sell the property. Number 3. The buy and hold strategy. This is one of the long-term investment property techniques. Probably the first thing that springs to mind when you think about real estate investing. It's a popular choice for first-timers because there's no pressure to finish the transaction quickly, and it allows you to make more money in the long run. A buy and hold strategy is when you acquire a real estate investment property with the goal of holding it for long periods of time until you believe that the time is right to sell. You may profit from real estate appreciation as the home value rises over time. This is referred to as natural appreciation, and this is a great approach to generate passive money in real estate. Again, having a real estate license can assist you with this strategy as well. Being a realtor, you'll know the market well, so you can quickly determine which area is anticipated to grow the most in the coming years. Moreover, all real estate listings on MLS are accessible to you as soon as they become available, so you can make an offer on a property before anybody else. In addition, you'll save money on commissions because you won't be dealing with an agent. Number 4. What about rental properties? The last of the investment property techniques for novices is a style of buy and hold. Instead of passively watching your home's value increase over time in order to make money in the long run, you can instead rent it out and generate cash immediately. When you own rental properties, you may begin generating a steady income as soon as you purchase one and find a tenant. The rental earnings will be a great addition to your commission income as a real estate agent. Furthermore, as a real estate agent, you already know the area well and know where there's a housing demand, allowing you to locate a profitable rental property to invest in. The most important thing to remember, though, is to pick the strategy that best fits your goals. Investing in real estate might be a fantastic way to generate money, especially for realtors who already know the industry and the local housing market. All you have to do now is pick the best investment method for you and get started making money as a property investor. If you're struggling to get ahead in real estate investing, or if you want some tips on how to become a real estate investor that's successful, then the 4 steps that we talked about might be just what you need. The most important thing to know about real estate investments is understanding your risk tolerance and managing it appropriately. It's also important not to overpay for properties because this will limit your potential return on investment. When considering an investment property, make sure that there's enough cash flow streams coming in from the deal so that it can pay for itself with passive income alone. Lastly, do not forget about location. You may have found a great real estate opportunity, but if it's too far away from where you live, either literally or figuratively, then it probably won't work out.